I'm a father to a boy who's 2 years, 5 months as we speak. And it's one amazing thing, honestly. But obviously, sometimes the excitement comes with what's my next step in life? And that on its own, because at that time I was still a student, unemployed, it was one of our biggest challenges because she had just finished varsity. And we tried our best to make sure that throughout that journey of the pregnancy phase, we worked together. We did not lose focus. We did not argue, fight, all. Until one of us finished, I started working, and by God's grace, our boy was born during that phase. So the journey became better because, like we say, it's important that the child grows with both parents, In life, you can't expect only one person to take care of a child, but when you join, when it's like a union, it becomes easy to raise that boy. Right now, as we speak, we have got a jolly boy, very, very happy son. I feel like he must be proud to have us as parents because as a youth, it's not easy. I know we live with parents, some of us, but we do get guidance from our parents. They help us. But also as an individual, you need to know how to stand firm for what you want your son to abide by or your child to abide by. And that's what I feel like we're doing right now, me and his mom. We're trying to make sure that he gets the best education. Like currently he has started school at, I know 2 years, 5 months, but he has started because it's important to also make sure that your child gets what you might not have gotten at that tender age. So all I can say is, man up. This goes to the gents, man up. If you know that we because I'm enjoying it. I've even got a dad bod. And yeah, all I can say is never leave what's yours. Because the moment you saw yourself doing that, that's the beginning to a different journey. Thank you.